Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing a review and an install on the KEMIMOTO door bags. These are like the 2.0 style ones. I had the 1.0 style ones, which you can get check out the video that I did on them already. So you get the two bags, the left and the right, in the package. And you have your knee pad here, which now on these ones, you can open this and I guess take your foam out and use this as a pocket if you want, or leave the foam in there, or replace the foam, whatever you want to do. And then it's got the two pockets on the edge. Now we have a Velcro pocket at the back, which opens up for like a drink, like a can holder. And you just tie that back together like that, fold it up if you don't want it. And yeah, now the zipper is on the front side, whereas it used to be along the top side here. Which, if you watch my last video, I was talking about how they sit like this in your razor, right? So when you get mud in here and you open the bag, you get all the mud fall inside. Now with these, they have a nice cover, just straight inside the side of the bag now, and you won't get stuff on the inside. And we also have this little carabiner clip I see on the inside here. If you want to like maybe tie your keys to it or something. And yeah, so then on the back side you have your two pieces of Velcro with like a stick on the back, so they kind of stick to the door. The old ones had one here, I believe, one here, one there, and one there, which they didn't do a whole lot, so it's nice they just went to the two. So we're gonna go right into the install now. Check them out, guys. Alrighty guys, so we've got our right hand door bag here, and so we're gonna need to take out these two, and this one here. And so we've got our T25 here, so you're just gonna loosen these off. It's easiest to just loosen them off and then get a longer bit like this and just spin them right out like so. So then you can just set those somewhere where you won't lose them. Grab a cloth here and just give this whole inside under here a wipe, because you're not going to be able to after you put the door bag on. Just give it a good wipe. Bring your door bag in here, and as you can see, the holes we take out, or the screws, line up. So then this pad goes right here and this one goes up here. So the best and easiest way to do this is peel the backing off of these like so. Now you're gonna have to be really careful, and you're gonna want to basically install this lower one and the upper one and work your way this way across, and then after you're done, really push where the sticky spot is so that you can really set that up against your steel door frame. So now that we've got our door all installed, you can see no play in there. You just want to get these hand tight, basically, like you could see with the ratchet. I was just getting them hand tight because it's a steel screw and a plastic body piece, so very easy to strip out. Now when you look back here, you can see where your pillar would line up. So you just want to give that a good push onto there like that, and then get this top one up here. Give that a good push too. I'm gonna have to pull up a bit, get that seated, and get your hand inside the bag. Really get that seated against that pillar, and then you're good. And that's the full install, and I'm really happy with the look of them. I like the red accent on there is really nice, and they're super quick, easy install.